Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you love everything Space Coast, from home tours and neighborhood info to tips that actually help you buy or sell smarter, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe because I share new videos all the time. And yes, occasionally a dachshund may make an appearance. Now let's jump into something buyers and sellers never think about at first, but absolutely notice. Stay to the very end for a fun fact about front doors you'll want to tell at your next housewarming party. Your front door is speaking. What is it saying? Before anyone steps inside a home, before they see the kitchen or the backyard, they meet the front door. It sets expectations, creates emotion, and quietly tells buyers what kind of home they're about to experience, sometimes before they even realize it. That's why front door color, style, and design matter more than what most people think. Let's break it down. Front door colors, meanings, moods, and buyer reactions. Black front doors, what it symbolizes: luxury, confidence, strength, how it feels, sophisticated and timeless. Buyer's reaction: this home is solid. Black doors are one of the most buyer-loved choices and work beautifully with almost any exterior style. White front doors, what it symbolizes: cleanliness, simplicity, tradition. How it feels: bright, calm, welcoming. Buyer's reaction: this feels fresh and well cared for. White doors are especially popular in coastal and classic Florida homes. Navy and deep blue front doors, what it symbolizes: trust, stability, calm. How it feels: relaxed but refined. And buyer's reaction: I like this. It feels peaceful. Perfect for Space Coast homes. Blue feels right at home near the water. Red front doors, what does it symbolize? Energy, warmth, prosperity. How it feels: bold and welcoming. Buyer's reaction: strong emotion. People notice immediately. In some cultures, red doors represent good luck and abundance. Green front doors, what does this symbolize? Balance, growth, harmony. How it feels: grounded and peaceful. And a buyer's reaction: this home feels comfortable. A favorite for craftsman style and nature-focused neighborhoods. How about yellow front doors? It symbolizes happiness, optimism, warmth. And how does it feel? Cheerful and inviting. Buyer's reaction: smile first, judge later. Not for every home, but when done right, it's unforgettable. Gray front doors, they symbolize neutrality, modern style. They feel calm and contemporary. And the buyer's reaction is clean, updated, easy. Great for sellers who want stylish but safe. Door style matters too, a lot. Front doors with glass are a buyer's favorite. It brings in natural light, feels open and welcoming, can still offer privacy with frosted or decorative glass. Buyers love walking up to a home that already feels bright. Solid front doors, more privacy, strong, secure feel, great for busy streets. These doors quietly say this home is sturdy and dependable. Decorative or custom doors, iron accents, arches, paneling, they add character and personality. Perfect for homes that want to stand out without shouting. Plain or simple doors, clean lines, easy to update. Let hardware, wreaths, or paint shine. Simple doors are popular because they're versatile and buyers can imagine their own style. So, what's the best front door choice? If your goal is maximum buyer appeal, you can't go wrong with black, navy, or white. If your goal is personality and charm, bold colors can be amazing when they fit the home. And if you're not sure what works best for your house or your neighborhood, that's where having a local Space Coast Realtor really helps. Hi, that's me. Front door fact. Thanks for staying. In early American history, a black front door meant that homeowners had paid off their mortgage. So black doors didn't just look powerful, they were a power move. Thinking about a new home and a new front door? Whether you're buying, selling, or just dreaming about your next Space Coast move, I'd love to be your go-to Space Coast Realtor. I help buyers find homes they love and help sellers make smart choices that attract buyers. Let's connect. This is Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, signing off. You can call or text me at 321-480-7662. You can email me at margarett.klein@exprealty.com. Check out my website to do some home searches at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com, or watch my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Now tell me, what color would be your go-to front door color? And yes, I absolutely judge doors, professionally, of course. Have an amazing day. Thanks so much.